Welcome, everyone. I'm Don Taylor, and I'm here with Jim Houston, and we're on pins and needles waiting for this game to begin.
The only difference is Don's pins and needles are real.
Ow! Let's get this game started. Ow!
A penalty has been called. Yager is going off for cross-checking.
Every player argues a penalty they're given, but deep down they know they deserve it.
Pittsburgh has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
Dvorak takes possession of the puck. Missed the net. Nieminen scoops up the loose puck. Shoots it hard. Saved by Joseph. Yager has finished serving his penalty. Yager with a wrist shot. Roosevelt with the puck. Schaefer misses. Yager takes possession of the puck. Backhands it. He scores.
It's a bird. It's a play. Actually, it's a goal. But it's a great one.
Detroit is looking to hand out a quick lesson in offense.
There'll be a test later, so pay attention.
Williams. Morrison takes control of the puck. Short pass. That's offside. Fedorov. Morozov, backhanded shot. Kovalev holds it by the defender with one hand on his stick.
His next trick, levitation.
Roosevelt jumps on the loose puck. Kovalev isn't going to let anybody have that puck.
He went right through that guy, Jim.
He gets laid out.
He's got game, and he gave it to him there.
Scores!
Jim, that's his first goal in the NHL. I'm putting it in the scrapbook.
Detroit, seeing its scoring chances paid dividends with a 2-goal lead.
That reminds me, I should really check my stock portfolio. How's the fruit leather market today?
Baranek takes possession of the puck. Barry. Neuendijk gets a hold of it. Solani takes it. Iserman gets checked.
Some would argue he lacks the gift of subtlety.
Looks like we've got a tussle here. It just takes one guy who sees red.
Yep, and then someone's going to end up black and blue.
I guess that's what they mean by color commentary.
Showing some muscle in the tussle.
Fedorov. Kovalev now with the puck. Hard shot turned away.
Stop cold, like a jaywalking rhino.
Yager. Lemieux now with the puck. Denied by Hedberg.
That save put a smile on the goalie's face.
Door slammed shut by Hedberg.
He shoots, he doesn't score.
Fedorov trapped offside and play is stopped. Barry gets laid out.
Totally smashed hash.
Baranek scores! It trickled in!
There's goals in them Nar Hills.
Detroit has seen its lead cut in half, Don.
They're a great play early on, let them jump ahead. But how they play now...
Scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts.
An outstanding goal from a stand-out player.
Detroit wanted a big finish to this period.
It looks like they've got the big finish. It's not the kind they were looking for.
The Penguins go offside.
By number 19, Bobby Dulles.
Lemieux wins the draw. Schaefer shoots the puck. The door is shut by Hedberg. Janssen takes control of the puck. Stoned by Joseph.
He shoved the old plank out at just the right time.
Blocked. Yager got the puck. Yager shot it. Saved by Hedberg. Morrison.
He's doing the hokey pokey.
Joseph makes the save.
The sun is set on the first period, but soon the second period will come.
Welcome back to the second period, everyone. I'm Jim Houston.
I never tire of that. Nice delivery, buddy.
Thanks. Fedorov. Pittsburgh dumps the puck in. Roosevelt slap shot. He hits the post. Iserman knocked him off the puck. Ferentz got it. Iserman stops the shot. Joseph stoned him.
He appears to be making saves on the installment plan.
Solani. Morozov. Fedorov shoots the puck. Grabbed by Pittsburgh. Joseph denies him. Kovalev gets pushed off the puck.
We got some heart-thumping, bone-crushing hockey going on.
Yzerman. Pittsburgh takes control. Dvorak. Pittsburgh has it taken out.
That hit just wasn't up to my standards.
He pushes Lidstrom.
How am I supposed to get excited about hits like that?
Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Schaefer with the puck.
That's more than just a deke, Jim. It's a performance art.
Scores!
With some power and some glory, that goal tells the story.
Detroit goes on top with that goal.
They are in charge of this period. For now.
Kovalev shoots the puck. Joseph stones him. Morozov scores top shelf. Incredible shot. That'll put a tear in your eye.
Yeah, and I think the goalie's going to do a little crying too.
Once again, the score is tied, and it's apparent that neither team's been able to take control of this matchup.
Well, I'm not leaving this chair until we have a winner, and that's final.
It's also in your contract.
Oh, right.
Offside. Kuba grabs the puck. He hits the post. He mows down Kuba.
I'm no math wizard, but I'm pretty sure the last hit was one of those 110% things.
Offside. Nieminen. Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Williams. Sloan. Now with it. Dvorak. That's offside. Nieuwendyk. Solani has it now. Ferenc. Morozov gets the puck. Kovalev. Fedorov. Nieuwendyk. Lemieux shoots the puck. Here's a cheeky little move behind the play.
Oh, and I like a little cheekiness, Jim.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Yager shoots the puck from the left. He scores and gets the hat trick.
The goalie's confidence must be getting a bit shaky. I know mine is.
They pulled ahead by 1.
For skating technique, I give them a 5-6, but for presentation, a 5-8.
Neela. Huge save by Hedberg. Melikar. Baranek gets the puck. Primo. Offside. Yager played that one nicely and got the hat trick. Robitaille. Pushed off the puck.
I haven't seen hits.
Scores!
This can't be good for the goalie's PR.
That goal has set the stage for a big third period, and the question is, who wants it more?
I do.
Once and for all. We're not talking about snack foods.
Oh!
Yzerman scoops up the loose puck. Kovalev gets checked. Solani grabs the puck. Chelios grabs it. Nieuwendyk grabbed it. Lemieux, stone cold by Hedberg. Kovalev. He rubs out Kovalev.
And he knocks him from Baltic to Boardwalk. 40 minutes down, 20 to go. Unless it goes into overtime. Then it could be 25 minutes to go. Or 30 minutes. Anyway, you get my point.
Well, Don, the way this game has been going, I think we're in for a great finish.
I do believe you're onto something. Let's see where this game takes us.
Yager turned away.
When it comes to knocking those pucks out of there, he's the man.
Dvorak muscled off the puck.
Waxed him like the kitchen floor.
Yager. Lemieux now has it. Schaefer. Saved by Hedberg. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Denied by Hedberg. Ferenc takes control of the puck. Kovalev.
He put the puck.
He scores! What a goal!
Put it in nice and high. Must have been aiming for the water bottle. The question they need to ask themselves right now is, how bad do we want to win this game?
Robitaille scoops up the loose puck. Hold down.
You've heard of weight training? Well, that's freight training.
Lemieux shoots the puck. Yzerman won the faceoff. Door slammed shut by Hedberg. Morozov jumps on the loose puck. He gets laid out.
He'll be feeling that one tomorrow morning.
Kovalev. Backhand shot. Joseph, great save.
Great control, great timing, great save.
Nieuwendyk. Chelios gets hold of the puck. Fires! The door is shut by Hedberg. Fedorov shoots the puck from the left. He scores!
Let's just sit back and savor every moment of that awesome goal on the replay. Hey, these guys have put themselves in an ideal position to mount a late comeback.
Way to stay positive, Don.
Thanks.
Yager. Schaefer shoots the puck from the right. Detroit jumps on it, scores! It trickled in! Now there's some supercharged hockey for the fans out there.
Yeah, and don't forget the fans in here. I'm loving it.
And now they're within one. Don, your commentary?
Oh, sorry, Jim. I was trying to get this bubble gum out of my blazer.
Don Taylor, a man who spells professionalism with 2 T's and a silent Q. Joseph denies him!
Great save. Why mince words?
And they get called for icing. The faceoff goes to Pittsburgh. Barry misses the net. Melikar gets muscled off the puck.
Wow, that one sounded like King Kong falling off a building.
Shoots it! Stoned by Hedberg!
That net is tougher to get into than a subway after a hockey game.
Baranek with the puck. Barry gets it. Melikar. Baranek gets bumped off the puck.
He drums up a mega hit and it rocks the arena.
Primo grabbed it. The ref indicates a delayed call. He mows over Donovan.
These bold and beautiful hits make for some real drama.
Yager will serve time for elbowing.
Jim, what should I say? What do you mean improvise?
Schaefer gets rubbed off the puck.
Yager, 2 minutes for elbow.
Lidstrom! Janssen will go to the box for cross-checking.
Jim, have you ever noticed how much slower players skate to the penalty box than to the players' bench?
Detroit gets a break.
Let's see if they can make it happen with even numbers.
Lemieux gets caught offside and play is stopped. Kovalev. Detroit is now playing shorthanded. Pittsburgh beats out the icing call.
Third period.
He scores upstairs.
They've got the tender busier than Santa on Christmas Eve during an elf strike.
Detroit ties the score.
I'm glad to see Santa decided they were on the nice list this year.
Number 25, Joe Nieuwendyk, assisted by
Samani, phenomenal save.
When this guy is on his game, nothing gets by him.
So it looks like we'll go to an extra frame to see if we can settle this deadlock.
And Jim, you can remove me from your headlock now. Please?
Fedorov scoops up the loose puck. Nieuwendyk. Yzerman. Roosevelt jumps on the loose puck. Fedorov fires it. Blocked. He gets bowled over.
He's finding a way to let out his anger in productive ways.
Yager shoots the puck from the left. Saved by Hedberg.
Both teams want the extra point, and in OT, we'll see who wants it more.
Combined with the delicacies of German Wiener Schnitzel. Check out
Gotta love this whole hockey thing, Jim.
Yeah, you sure do, and it's about to get going again, so let's see what's up. Chelios gets hold of the puck. Yager corrals it. Pittsburgh got it.
Come to our Super Skills competition, where you'll see your favorite players compete in exciting events, such as hardest shot, fastest skater, and the breakaway competition.
Fedorov. Kovalev grabbed it. Offside. Pittsburgh takes possession. Fedorov taken out.
Now, if anyone out there didn't think they were serious, that hit should change your mind.
Lemieux shoots the puck. Roosevelt makes a flashy play.
Worthy of a few camera flashes of its own.
Pittsburgh just saw one of its players fall to injury.
And the whole bench jumped up at once. They want a penalty.
The trainer's helping him out of here, so he must be in some pain.
But he could still return, Jim. He could still return.
The seconds quickly tick down and still no sign of the heroic goal scorer.
I'll tell you, the helmet and jersey, even though it's tucked in, is no substitute for a cape and mask. Chicks dig that cape and mask thing.
Lemieux wins the draw. Chelios wrist shot. Janssen takes control of the puck. Kovalev gets taken out.
He nails him fair, square, and really hard.
Chelios jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux checked. Janssen. Kovalev grabs the puck. The Penguins dump it. Kovalev scoops it up. Blocked. Shoots the puck. Joseph stabbed at it.
Add one puck to glove, stir, then bake. Serves 4.
Barry gets laid out.
He whipped in and creamed him.
Melikar gets pushed off the puck.
That hit was short on subtlety, long on kapow.
Yager. Lemieux in control now. Primo. He gets rocked.
Great hit. Looks like he's on a roll. Or more like a steamroll.
We've been treated to a clash of hockey titans.
Each side gave as good as they got, which made for some entertaining viewing but did not yield a winner.
The 3-star selection. Tonight's third star for Detroit.